Welcome back to this complicated tutorial. It literally messed up like 3 times. Let's just roll this intro and we'll get started. I had to wipe off my eyeshadow and restart this. So let's just hope that this goes well. So I'm gonna restart with the P.louise eye base in the shade Rumor 2. With my bronzer from the Atomic Blonde palette from NARS. And I'm gonna start right here on the outer corner. I'm gonna blend this all the way down and up and out. Next, I'm going to take my other bronzer, the CoverFix Bronzing Duo in the shade Sunkissed on the same brush. And I'm going to put this in my crease and swipe up to my brow bone. Take this clean MAC 224S brush and just kind of soften this here. So I'm going to go in with the NATASHA DENONA BIBA palette and use the shade Spot. I'm going to like keep the straight out stuff going, so I'm gonna just kind of swipe a little bit here and down my brow bone. Take that MAC 224S brush and buff this right here. Now I'm not too worried about this area because I'm going to go over it with some other stuff. So I'm not worried about that. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Freckle from the same palette and go underneath here. I'm gonna swipe the same shade on top. So I'm gonna take my P.louise base and just kind of swipe onto a flat brush. And begin tapping this on top in my inner corner first and just swiping it upwards, and this is gonna dry down, so it's gonna lighten up the whole look. Kind of just like blend in this area here, kind of like swipe this area. Next, I'm going to take this shade from the Classic Blossom palette. But I'm just going to pat this in between and on top of everything. taking the black shade from the Morphe Bronzed Goals palette. I'm gonna go along my lash line all the way down. And kind of just tap upwards. Pinky finger to kind of blend this line right here a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna catch up on my other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back and I'm just about finishing this up, trying to get it a little bit more even. From the LORAC Unzipped Gold palette, I'm going to use the shade Undressed and put this on the inner corners. I'm gonna take like this flesh colored eyeliner from MAC. It's in the shade Risque, and we're gonna draw in our waterline here. Next, I'm gonna take like this flattened definer brush. I'm gonna dip into the shade Unedited, and underneath like where my lashes are at the root, I'm just gonna pat this in there. And next I'm just gonna go in with some mascara. My favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Next, I can't forget to bronze, of course. So I'm going to use, of course, why do I keep saying of course? I'm going to use my bronze duo from Cover Fix and dip both in here. Of course, I go into the KKW Beauty palette and use this pink shade here. Next, I'm going to go in with my ELCIE Cosmetics highlighter. Just do the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, next I'm going to put on the Lash Couture Naked Drama in Chiffon, and I use the eye glue. It's a premium lash strip adhesive. I don't even know if you could see the letters on here, but I'll put it down below in the description box so that you guys can have it. It's literally the best eye glue I have ever used. Use my Sephora lash applicator to connect the outer corner and the inner corner. I love these lashes, they're everything. This eye is always so much easier to put on, and I don't know why. gonna go in with my favorite lip liner, which is Strip Down from MAC. I'm gonna go over the edges with the NYX in Nude Truffle. I'm gonna top it off with the Brown Sugar High Shine Gloss from Marc Jacobs Beauty. Setting with the Dewy set from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna go do my hair real quick and I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. I did my hair as fast as I could and literally like the same, you know, parting behind the ear, everything. I just literally slept for 2 days in a row with my hair in a very simple bun. And what I like to do with this part here is I just like to tease it just to make sure everything is kind of like even, you know. Anyways, you guys, I'm running out of time, but this is the final look. It's just a very simple, soft glam. I don't know what's going on with my eyelids. Like, it doesn't want to take to black whatsoever. I had to redo this look, but it was worth it because it looks really, really nice, and I am happy with the way that it turned out. So I hope you guys can learn from me and learn from my mistakes as well. So take everything with a grain of salt. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next totally relatable tutorial on Friday and Saturday. Bye-bye!
I should have stayed at home.